Number 555 Bravo Victor, Denver approach, are you on?
Yes, sir, we're up. We're in the descent 8000, 5 Bravo Victor.
5 Bravo Victor, Roger, Denver Altimeters 3017, information November is current at spaceport, and just say nature of the emergency and your intention.
We had a rapid decompression. The right passenger window blew out at flight level 250. We're looking for a full stop.
5 Bravo Victor, Roger, and when able, souls on board.
1 soul on board and about 3.5 hours of fuel.
5 Bravo Victor, Roger, and there will be medical assistance standing by for you.
Okay, copy all. 5 Bravo Victor, thank you.
Still there?
Check.
Okay, yep, you can expect visual approach to runway 26.
Okay, we'll expect the visual 26 for now direct to spaceport, 5 Bravo Victor.
And just let me know if you need any other assistance.
Okay, we're good. Thank you so much.
5 Bravo Victor, that current heading you're on should take you right behind them.
Okay, 5 Bravo Victor, we're visual now. We'll maintain visual depth.
5 Bravo Victor, Roger, and when you're able, you can proceed direct spaceport again.
Okay, direct spaceport, 5 Bravo Victor. I'd like to continue our descent.
5 Bravo Victor, descend and maintain 7,000.
Down to 7,000, 5 Bravo Victor.
Cleared visual approach runway 26.
Clear the visual 26, 5 Bravo Victor. Emergency with you, visual 32.
0555 Bravo Victor, Texas Carrier, number 2 behind the test path, the right base, runway 26, clear to land.
Runway 26, clear to land, number 2, 5 Bravo Victor.
Bravo Victor, we do have emergency personnel standing by. Let me know if you require any further assistance.
Okay, copy all, 5 Bravo Victor.
And 05 Bravo Victor, the emergency personnel are off your left on the ramp there. Will you be needing their assistance? Roger, I will let them know. Okay, you're